Hello, I'm Alex. I want to unboxing Galaxy S22 Plus. Galaxy S22 Plus coping with 256 internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM. Okay, here we go. Galaxy S22 Plus have 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel wide camera or main camera, and 10 megapixel of telephoto camera with 3 optical zoom with optical image stabilization. At the front, it have 10 megapixel of camera. In the box, we get SIM ejector and USB-C to USB-C and warranty card and CAT instruction. And again, no adapter charger on the box and no screen protector. On the bottom, we have SIM tray, USB port, speaker, antenna, and on the right we have a power button from up and down, and on the left nothing and clean. And have a 6.6 dynamic AMOLED display with 1080p and 1715 nits display. Same with S22 Ultra, and have a in-display fingerprint scanner and have 120 refresh rate silky smooth display. S22 Plus Indonesia have dual SIM capability, and sadly no more micro SD slot in there. S22 Plus have IP68 water and dust resistant with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. S22 Plus display bezel is very thin, thinner than iPhone. Okay, compare with iPhone 12 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus little bit thinner and smaller. iPhone 12 Pro Max is more wider and taller than Galaxy S22 Plus. And now compare with Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Yeah, Galaxy Note 10 Plus more thinner and more taller than Galaxy S22 Plus. Okay, now we finish the setup of the Galaxy S22 Plus. It's feel more smoother and faster than my Galaxy Note 10 Plus because it have a high refresh rate display and more powerful processor. Okay, now we try camera. Main camera is 50 megapixel. Ultra wide camera is 12 megapixel, and telephoto camera with 3 optical zoom is 10 megapixel. Okay, this 10 megapixel of front camera. S22 Plus come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and 8 GB of RAM, and it have Android 12 with One UI 4.1 S22 have big battery for 4500 milliamp battery. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.